If you're looking to integrate GetResponse with Google Analytics, you're probably wondering how this integration can help you track your campaigns more effectively and optimize your marketing efforts. Well, stick around because we're about to break it down quickly, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to get this set up smoothly and start seeing results. So, first things first, why would you even want to integrate GetResponse with Google Analytics? It's simple. By connecting the two, you can track email performance, monitor your traffic sources, and really dig into how your email campaigns are driving behavior on your site. Essentially, it helps you get more out of your marketing by giving you a clearer picture of what's working and what isn't. Next thing, let's start with the setup. In GetResponse, you want to head over to your account settings. Once you're there, look for the integration section. You'll see Google Analytics as one of the available options. Click on it, and it will prompt you to enter your Google Analytics tracking ID. You'll find this ID in your Google Analytics dashboard under Admin, then in the Property settings. The third thing is making sure you're tracking the right actions. After integrating, you can track not just basic email opens, but also clicks, conversions, and more. To do this, make sure to enable UTM parameters in GetResponse. These unique tags in your links will help you identify how much traffic is coming from your emails, which is key for measuring success in Google Analytics. The fourth thing is setting up your Google Analytics goals. Once the UTM parameters are in place, you need to track specific actions on your website that are important to you, like form submissions or purchases. In Google Analytics, go to Admin, then select Goals under the View column. From there, you'll set up a new goal that matches the action you want to track. This step is crucial to really get the full benefit of integrating GetResponse with Google Analytics. Now, let's talk about something important. While GetResponse has this integration, it's not always the easiest or most intuitive setup. Some users have reported issues with missing data or needing to manually adjust settings. Plus, the level of reporting is a bit basic compared to other platforms. Google Analytics is a powerhouse, but without the right setup, you might miss out on deeper insights. Speaking of alternatives, here's something you should know. If you're looking for a smoother, more user-friendly experience that provides more detailed tracking, there are platforms out there that integrate with Google Analytics much better than GetResponse. These alternatives offer more customizable reporting and better analytics integration out of the box, giving you deeper insights into your email campaigns and website behavior. Now, to wrap things up, we've shown you how to integrate GetResponse with Google Analytics, but there are even better alternatives that can help you reach your goals more effectively. And here's the kicker. Through our link, you can get an exclusive extended free trial to one of these better options, plus some amazing bonuses that aren't available anywhere else. Make sure to check out the first link in the description for your best free trial and exclusive benefits. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to grab that extended trial and take a look at the alternatives that might just work better for you.